Wanna see more cool videos? We do, so press the bell icon to get notified.
So hey guys, welcome back. Do you wanna upgrade your PC storage? Yes, of course, you can do it. All you need is an hard drive or an SSD, whichever you're planning to install. So what are you waiting for? Let's do it on our own. In today's video, I'm gonna be teaching you how to install a hard drive or an SSD in your PC. So without getting further delayed, let's jump into the video. So today I'm using my old 500 GB hard drive, which I took it from my old PC which stopped working an year ago. So all you need is a SATA 3 cable, which I bought in my local store for about 20 rupees a few moments ago. So guys, what we are gonna be doing is, we are just gonna connect the hard drive to the motherboard using this cable. Guys, before we do this, make sure you unplugged everything from your cabinet, including your power cable. So now for the first step, you have to open up the front and back panels of your PC cabinet by removing all the screws. After opening up the front and back panels of the cabinet, insert the one end of the SATA cable from the back side of the cabinet to the inside of the cabinet and connect it to the SATA port. So guys, as you can see, this is how the SATA port looks like. It will be mentioned SATA 3 or 4 or 1 or 2 on the motherboard. Now connect the cable to the port carefully. Now after connecting one end of the SATA cable to the motherboard, connect the second end of the SATA cable to the hard drive carefully. Now after connecting the SATA cable, you also need to connect the power cable from the PSU to a hard drive. It's quite a difficult job to find a wire from the PSU, but you have to make it. After this we are done guys. Now just fix the hard drive to your cabinet by using screws, nuts and bolts. And then the last step is to fix up the front and back panels to the cabinet, and after that, and now the final step is to boot up the system and check for the hard drive whether it's working or not. Let's do it. And now guys, the system is on the booting screen, and yeah, it has detected the disk successfully and it is showing that new disk is found. Now the window screen is appeared. Let's put the password and let's open up the my computer, and now you can see, as you can see, there are two partitions guys, Windows and recovery image. That was my old hard disk, and the below three are my new hard disk which was already fixed in my PC, and the first one is my SSD. So that's all guys. You have successfully done the installation of the hard disk into my PC. So guys, if you like these kind of stuffs in my channel, please hit the subscribe button, and if you like the video, please give it a big thumbs up and comment down below what kind of video you would prefer to have on our channel. Guys, we reached the end of the video. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, peace out.